kaibigan, 55 seconds to go. Duty na ang liglay na kalangan. And Paulo, Johnson. Hindi ko na number 2, mitang na bola, behind the dribble. Number 2, behind the dribble, Jason, reverse. Who goes to Jason? 35 seconds to go. 30 seconds. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Sir Who? If from outside, di pumasok. Kung kay 30. 30 na rin. Lagi po din yung keeper. Keeper. Pangmalong 3 points. Hindi pumasok. Pangmalong 3 points mga kaibigan. 20 seconds to go. 15 seconds. And 10.
Dala ba kayo rin? Oo nga.
5 seconds. What about the speaker? Set down good for 2 points.